buy some Crocs.
Cooking with your Asian friend. Hello, and we're back. Before cooking your meat, it's important that you... Shut up! Slowly! So we're part of
That's exactly how, I mean, they have been doing that all morning.
He's a brute, I admit. He was built like a brute too. You kind of expect that like Biff mentality from him.
Who is that girl I see back at me?
I will look for you. I will find you. And I will kill you.
Pikachu?
Good job. High five. Okay.
Slow down. Grab, don't wiggle like you're trying to make your ass fall. Where's the catnip?
Well, hello, Mr. Kitty. Can I pet you, Kitty? Where's you going? Kitty, come back here, Mr. Kitty. Kitty, where you going? It's like you're my mirror. Oh, mirror staring back at me.
Something tells me they want it.
Babe, who was that girl you was talking to on the phone last night?
Oh, that was Jake from State Farm, girl. Chill.
Get off me, you liar! Look at her try to get it. Oh,
Oh my god.
I don't like the way you looking at me. Why you looking at me like that? Why you looking at me like that? Why you looking at me like, oh shit?
say hi to everybody.
Boom, boom, boom. Lollipop, lollipop, oh, lolly, 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 lollipop.
I got my eyes on you. You're everything that I see. I want your holla. Spike loves his new hat. What? How are you doing this?
Whoa, back up. Stop playing, I'm dead serious. I got a girlfriend, calm down.
Say hi, little kitty.
Oh.
Cat scared of hacky sack?
Let's find out.
Damn, your ass smells fine, girl. Check out my ass. How's that smell? Hey, get your ass off me!